I know you hear me when I cry. I try to hold it in the night while you're sleeping next to me, but it's your arms that I need this time. Look at the color we ran down. If you were anybody else, probably wouldn't last the day. Every tear's a wrinkle right now. Baby, do you so well. You've been so understanding, you've been so good, and I'm putting you through more than one ever should. And I'm hating myself 'cause you don't want to admit that it hurts you. I know that it breaks your heart when I cry again over him. I know that it breaks your heart when you cry again. So let it go tonight. Let it go. Let's get past this. I'm not going. And a whole lot of baggage I will love you. Let it past this. I'm not going. And a whole lot of baggage I will. Though I wish he were here instead. Don't want that living in your head. He just comes to visit me when I'm dreaming every now and then. And after